All right, everybody, this is gonna start my 2018 Ram 2500 upgrade series of videos. Up till now, I've had pretty much everything stock on it, and I've started off by getting some 275 R18 Recon Grappler tires by Nitto. Threw those on there, and today's video, actually, we're gonna kick off with the KYX Nerf bars. They seem to be pretty good. The reviews on them are really good. Everything checks out. Packaging clean. Everything came really well wrapped. I had to fight everything out of the wrapping. Nothing's bent. Everything's good to go. Okay, one of the tricks to mounting this bracket is to have your retainment washer ready. You'll take it off and you'll have this 8mm bolt temporarily screwed into this side, and you'll use it as a guide. You'll hold on to it here and feed it through and push it through this hole. Put your retainment washer on, and then you can take this out and rotate this down to this hole. Okay, once you've installed that plastic retaining washer, you will remove that bolt and slide the bracket down to line up with the hole, tightening your retainment washer, and then you'll apply your brackets. And I went ahead and put the brackets on here. They attach on like such. You just follow the directions, and then once you have this support bracket on and everything, you go ahead and tighten all of these up. And here's the final result. The KYX side step rail. 2018 Ram 2500. Step test. Everything they sent, man, was like good quality stuff. Everything looks good. All the welds were good. I like it. Let me know what you think.